In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to QuickBooks. By the end, you'll have the official QuickBooks Online connector installed in your Shopify store and be signed into your Intuit account so you can begin syncing your data. Start in your Shopify admin. If you aren't already on the main dashboard, head to Home so everything looks familiar and consistent with what you see on screen. From the left-hand menu, open Apps. In the app search bar, type QuickBooks Online Global. This is the official connector for QuickBooks Online and the one you want to use for a smooth integration. Open the app listing and follow the prompts on the page. You'll see clear, highlighted buttons guiding you through the flow. Click through to view the app details, then proceed to add it to your store. When you're asked which QuickBooks product to use, choose QuickBooks Online. Continue by selecting Install. Shopify will display the permissions the app needs to run properly. Confirm by clicking Install again. If you're prompted to update, that simply means the app is requesting the latest access it needs to sync correctly. Go ahead and approve that. After the install, you'll be redirected to Intuit to connect your QuickBooks account. Click the Let's Get You into QuickBooks prompt to begin. On the sign-in screen, choose Phone as your sign-in method if that's what you prefer. Select your country code from the drop-down. Then enter your phone number to receive a verification code or to proceed as instructed on the page. You can check. Remember to stay signed in on your device. If you're on a shared or public computer, it's best to leave that unchecked for security. Complete the Intuit sign-in and any verification steps presented. Once that's done, you'll return to the connector and the installation flow will confirm the connection between your Shopify store and QuickBooks Online. Keep following the highlighted prompts to finish granting access so the app can read your orders, products, taxes, and payouts as needed. That's it for the connection. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure you're logged into the correct Shopify store before you start. And double-check that you're signing in to the right QuickBooks Online account during the Intuit step. If the app asks for updates or permissions again, it's simply ensuring everything stays in sync. With the connector installed and your Intuit sign-in complete, your Shopify and QuickBooks Online are now linked and ready for data syncing. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to move from